Let's explore using a paperclip as an alternative to a traditional magnetic stir bar in laboratory settings. First, let's compare a traditional magnetic stir bar with a standard paperclip. Both are made of ferromagnetic materials that can be magnetized. Let's see how we can set up a makeshift magnetic stir using a paperclip. First, we need a beaker or container with our solution. Then, we drop in our paperclip. Place a magnetic stir or strong magnet underneath. When activated, the paperclip will rotate with the magnetic field, creating a stirring motion in the solution. Let's look at the advantages of using a paperclip. First, it's extremely cost-effective. Second, paperclips are readily available in most settings. Third, they can be treated as disposable, eliminating cleaning between uses. However, there are some important limitations to consider. Paperclips may not achieve the same stirring speeds as traditional stir bars. They can be less stable during rotation. And there's a potential risk of metal contamination if the paperclip's coating deteriorates. In conclusion, while a paperclip can serve as a makeshift stir bar in emergency situations or for non-critical applications, it's best to use proper magnetic stir bars for precise or sensitive experiments.